I had my cruise lights on coming through, and she immediately looks back, sees me, and starts running.
No, I swear to God.
So I'm like, what the hell?
Baby, stop. I can't be in there.
So I go around the other way, this way, because she runs that way. I come around the other way, and she runs back this way.
On February 28, 2026, a Florida officer effected a triple charge arrest of a subject who fled 3 separate times from a marked patrol vehicle in a high crime area. This analysis examines 3 questions: whether the Wardlow reasonable suspicion framework applied cleanly, whether the Hodari D abandonment doctrine validated the recovered evidence, and whether the officer's verbal tone aligned with modern de-escalation standards.
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
Yes, ma'am.
Turn around!
Yes, ma'am.
Turn
What
around!
did I do? What did I do?
Turn the fuck around!
What did I do? What did I do? Why am I arrested? Why am I arrested?
Stop resisting!
Why am I arrested? What? I can go nowhere right now. Why am I arresting? Why am I arrested? That's not my stuff. They put it. No, it's not my stuff. I'm not arrested. Oh,
Get on the fucking ground! An L2 flyer, show me how the 13 person Louis Anderson, give me a channel. Get the fuck on the ground!
Thank you.
Give me your fucking hand!
Why is what? Please stop. Stop fucking. Stop. Why? Did he die? Why? What happened?
An L2 flyer, got adult female secure, clear the channel.
Stop it, baby. I didn't do anything. My baby's so alive. Oh, baby. I hope so. I didn't know anything happened. No, that's fine. Baby, please. You want to go to me? I love you. Baby, please. I love you. Baby, I didn't do anything. Look at the minors out here. I promise you.
Melissa Mans.
Baby, am I arrested because
Melissa?
of the charge? Baby,
Or
is
what
there
is
a
it?
charge?
Something Mans?
Melinda Mans?
Yep.
Baby, is there a
49?
charge?
I don't know.
Baby, is there a charge?
So
Baby, is there a charge?
she sees
Baby.
me,
No, I didn't know what's happening.
I had my cruise lights on
I thought
coming
you were
through,
trying to grab me.
and she
No, baby,
immediately
I
looks
didn't
back,
arrest.
sees me,
I
and starts
swear to God,
running.
you arrest.
Okay.
No, I swear to God, it's
So I'm like, what the hell?
Baby, stop. I can't be in there.
So I go around the other way, this way, because she runs that way.
Baby.
I come around the other way,
Baby.
and she runs back
No,
this
my
way.
baby.
So I get out of my car and say, hey, stop,
Baby,
because
no,
I'm going to
stop.
conduct an
I
LMP
swear to God.
investigation.
I'm about to shoot myself.
And she
Baby,
fucking
baby.
takes off running again.
Baby, I did it.
And then she
I've
takes
never
off her
been around here.
jacket and throws it through
Baby,
here.
No, I did not.
Quiet.
Even if
So, can you,
No.
can
Yes,
we lift
baby.
her up real quick?
Yes, baby.
And then she starts
I
fighting with
didn't
me.
know. I didn't fight you. I can't feel anything or say anything because you beat me up. I didn't do anything.
beat you up.
But make love with one man and was like, don't make money. What happened?
I don't know who's in there.
What happened? That's
Can
not
you
my
just watch
stuff.
her?
It's just me to keep out. It's not my stuff. You're making something not my stuff. It's not my stuff. Mom, it's not my stuff. What the fuck? It's not my stuff. You can't say me twice. It's not my stuff. Why would you do that? You're making it like it's mine. Even if you think you have cameras, it's not mine. It's not mine. I swear to God, it's not mine. I don't know. It's 60 people that died. It's not mine. You didn't make me go there. I didn't do anything. It has to fucking keep out. No way. I didn't do anything. Why am I arrested? I was walking. What's wrong? It's not mine.
You think she did something?
That's not
She threw
mine.
something over this fence.
It's not mine.
She
No,
threw
I
that
did
and
not.
something else over this fence.
Baby, I did not. I did not. I swear to God, I didn't. I swear to God, I did it. I'm not lying.
Available.
You got gloves on you? Hey, Sean, you got gloves?
I'm not lying. Why are you arresting me? I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
You get up? LT, let me get my gloves on. Here, I got a
I'm
pair.
not lying. Nothing is mine. It's not mine. It's not mine.
You're going to jail. Stop.
Why? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I can't go back there. I can't go back there. I didn't do anything. What's wrong?
Can we lift her up?
What's wrong? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, it's Melinda Mans.
Roll over to your side.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. Yep. Yes, sir. I didn't do anything. Why am I arrested? None of this stuff is mine. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Which one?
Sit up.
She pissed all over herself.
No, I didn't piss. I didn't piss anything.
Sit up.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? I didn't do anything. I live in a house. I live out 304.
I've got my cruise
Back
lights on
street.
coming through
I
here.
am not doing anything, but you're chasing
She's
me.
standing over here
I
by
did
this
not do
car.
anything. There's no cameras,
She
no
looks
nothing. I
back,
didn't
sees
do
my red and
anything.
blue cruise lights,
I did
and
not
takes
do
off running
anything.
that way.
I know,
So I'm like, what
sir,
the
I did
hell?
not- you can't arrest
So I
me because
come
I
around,
didn't do
she
anything.
runs
I've
through
done
the gate
nothing.
over there,
I swear somebody did it.
that
And he's
way,
not gonna listen.
towards the other street.
Sir, that's not gonna
Yeah.
be mine. I didn't put
So she
anything
comes
in
around
it.
the other, so we go around the other
Sir,
way.
you're not gonna listen to me.
She
I
sees
live
me
in a
again and
house.
runs back this
I
way.
have no place. I have
So I
no
cut
place.
across over here,
Sir, I can't
and
be
she starts
there.
walking again.
Sir,
So
I
when
can't
she's
be
walking,
there.
she's about right here
I
where my
didn't
truck's
do
at.
anything.
I yell at her, say, hey, stop.
I
Looks
was
back,
nobody,
takes off
sir. I
running
didn't do
again.
anything. I was walking.
So as I come up to
didn't
here,
run,
right
I
here,
didn't
she
do
takes off her
Sir, I
jacket
did
that's
not
right
do
here,
anything. Sir, I didn't look
throws
at
it over the
whole
fence.
body. I didn't do anything.
I don't have
I'm
that
not
stuff
just
on me
showing
anymore. I don't
you.
got it on me no more.
I need
So I go to
take
secure and she
somebody
starts
back
fighting
and
with me,
put
so she got
stuff
taken to
there.
the ground.
Sir, I did not.
So,
Sir, I did not put
it's
no
gonna be an
heels
LMP
in my
and
life.
we're gonna go from
I
there.
didn't do trespassing. I didn't do anything. I've
Yeah.
been living in a house and taking care of it.
Can we pick
Sir,
her up?
I haven't done anything. Why are you trying to arrest me? Nothing is
Melinda,
mine.
stop.
Stop. You can't put a report on me. That's the Miranda rights. You can't do that. I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
stand up?
Okay, are
Yeah.
you arresting me?
Yes.
I didn't. That's not
Can we
my
fix
stuff.
her?
You're
All right.
putting
Hey.
me. Stop. I didn't
Stop.
do anything. Sir, I did not do anything.
You ready?
Why are you making it like I'm
Help me
going
get
back
you
in there?
I'll
Why are you
take
doing
what
that to
they
me? I can't sleep or do anything there. Stop. I have a place to live. Stop. Okay, I have my shoes, please. Can I have my shoes, please? Why are you getting
Walk.
arrested? Can I have my
Walk.
shoes?
We're
My
walking
shoes,
towards
please.
the car.
My shoes, please. My shoes. Yes, sir. I didn't do anything. Why do you keep doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this? What? I didn't do anything. Why am I getting arrested?
All right.
Why am I being
have
arrested
we checked
again?
her already?
No, I'm live at a house, therefore, Bachelor Street. I didn't do anything. There's nothing on me. I haven't
Yeah.
done anything. That's not mine. You can't stop. That's not mine. Your hand is not mine. You can't push my arm. You can't push my arm.
Illinois versus Wardlow, 2000, holds that unprovoked flight from police in a high-crime area provides reasonable suspicion to justify a Terry stop. The court emphasized that flight is, quote, certainly suggestive of wrongdoing. 3 flight episodes are documented here. Each is independently articulable. The cumulative pattern substantially exceeds the Wardlow baseline. The Fourth Amendment foundation for the seizure is unqualified. California versus Hodari D, 1991, holds that property voluntarily discarded during flight from police is, quote, abandoned for Fourth Amendment purposes. The suspect retains no reasonable expectation of privacy in the discarded property. Officers may recover and use it as evidence without warrant or further justification. The jacket and paraphernalia thrown over the fence during flight is a textbook abandonment. No suppression argument can survive review on this record. 3 Florida statutes apply. Florida Statute 8, 56.021. Loitering and prowling requires 2 elements. Prowling in a manner not usual for law-abiding individuals, plus circumstances warranting alarm. Florida Statute 893.147 criminalizes possession of drug paraphernalia. Florida Statute 843.02 covers resisting officer without violence. All 3 predicate elements are documented.
I'm sorry if I keep repeating myself. That is not, that thing, but the shoes are mine. I don't have anything in me.
Hop in.
No, am I being arrested?
Hold on a
Am I
second.
being arrested? Why are you doing this to me? Look at why? How you doing? So I'm being arrested? Am I being arrested?
For now, we're
Am I being
we're
arrested?
investigating the situation.
Am I being arrested? I don't have
Yes.
one. Why?
Vehicles
Why
on-
is he saying yes to you? You want me to get into the car? You're not listening. Why are you guys doing this to just me? I live in the whole fucking house. I live in the house. What's wrong with the house? Why? Why? But you are not there, you guys. Stop. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. Jamie, what's wrong? What is wrong? Why am I being arrested again? Why are you doing it? Ow! Ow! Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, oh, my Miranda rights.
Let's check her stuff.
Did you check well over there in the draft?
I didn't see anything. This is what she threw. All right, here's Here's a stem.
Okay.
She threw this over the fence, yeah. Right over here, Chief. It was about right here, Sean.
From the beach. Copy that.
What's he need?
Black motorcycle attack.
Relax. There's nothing right there. You're going to
That's fine.
I
Relax.
was just walking the
Stop.
What did I do?
Stop.
I was just... Hello? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Yes, sir? Yes. Okay. Yes. Why am I being arrested? I was just walking. Yes, sir. I know I am. Sure, I didn't do anything. Why am I being arrested? You remember I said nothing. Sir. Yes, sir.
Jesus.
No one's done anything to me. What's wrong? Sir, I haven't done anything.
Where's that stem from?
Right there.
I got some tip. Hopefully that'll be enough to scrape something out of it.
Yeah.
This is terrible, Dr. Street. I was just looking to...
I haven't seen her in a while.
I swear. Am I being arrested?
All right, here's some.
What is that? That looks like Advil or Tylenol.
PD 72.
I mean, we don't know what this is going to be.
Yes, sir.
Hey, John.
Sir?
You got a Miranda card on you? No, John's got one for me, Sean. All right, hold on. Oops, sorry, Chief.
Why is it?
Hey, stop,
charges,
stop.
baby. Oh,
Stop,
sorry.
stop for a
yes,
second.
sir.
These are your
Yes,
rights.
sir.
You have the right to remain
I
silent.
know, but you're not telling my
Anything
charges.
you say may be used as
I
evidence
don't
against
have.
you.
I just walking.
You have the right to talk
Was
to
it
an
'cause I'm
attorney and have
walking?
him or her with you
What
now
did
at
I do?
any time during questioning.
I didn't do
You got
anything.
an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you.
No, he's just
If at
talking.
any
Why am I
time-
being arrested? You can't just
If at
arrest
any
someone. You
time
can't
you wish
obtain
to stop
anyone.
talking or have an attorney present,
What?
and all questioning will be stopped at
No,
your request.
but you don't.
Do you
Why am I
understand
being
these-
arrested?
Do you understand these rights?
No, you're not listening. I
understand
can't be
these rights?
Americans. I'm telling you,
Do you
I can't
understand
be.
these rights?
What am I being arrested
you
for?
willing to talk
The
to me?
rights are why am I being arrested? You can't
Are you
obtain
willing to
somebody.
talk to me? Okay,
Yes, sir.
you're refusing to talk to
No,
me?
yes, sir. I'm talking
Okay,
to you.
why'd you
Yes,
take
sir.
off running when you saw me?
I didn't take off running.
You did take off running. Took off running twice. You
What?
took off running when you saw me here with my cruise lights on and
Huh?
went towards South Barker Street. And then when you saw me come back around, you ran around. And then when you saw me right here,
Sir.
when I told you to stop,
Sir.
you took off running again.
Are you turning off? Where's your camera?
My camera's right here. So why'd you take off running?
I saw your lights on where I could hear them.
You saw my lights.
Could I hear them?
You
I
don't
didn't
hear
see
lights,
you.
ma'am. So why'd you
What?
take off running?
There's a sound
This
when
is
it
a
comes to
high
police.
crime area, okay?
What?
Yes.
Sir,
So
I
why'd you
live
take off
here,
running?
304 Bachelor Street.
Okay,
You
this
can
isn't
ask the
304
resident.
South Barker
No,
Street.
it's right here.
Okay.
I need to check
Why'd
on
you take off
Chelsea.
running from me?
Master, I didn't. I'm run from you.
Okay. Do you have
Just
anything else you
run-
want to tell me?
I need to know why
Okay.
I'm being arrested because
You're being arrested for loitering or prowling and possession of paraphernalia and resisting arrest without
Paraphernalia.
violence. Okay. Yep.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
This is gonna be prison time. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can see right there. So use your phone. So it's cocaine.
Okay. All right. Where's John at?
Sean, can you roll my windows down? She's claiming. Just roll my windows down.
Did we check these?
No, I haven't. I'll look them up in a second.
All right. Let's get her to the jail. I want to get her out of this area. Let's get her to the jail,
Okay.
and we'll go from there. All right.
Where do you want me to pack? You got a bag? You want me to help you put this in?
Yeah, you got a big enough bag?
Yeah, I got it. I had a debris on our way, but I guess not.
No, we're not waiting for her. You can cancel her.
All right. John, take it. But since it's Hazard's vehicle, we'll just be in here.
Oh, you guys want to take it? The arrest?
They already read them.
All right. I'll send you the narrative that I have.
You just read your Miranda rights.
There's pills in here, so we got to check these here when we get to the jail, okay? Alright, and this is for, we got a big enough thing we can stick this in?
You got
She's
another
not
big
taking
bag
this
for
shit
this?
with her.
Smokes are just going to be garbage.
Yeah.
I know they must have been something.
She tossed the whole thing over there.
You think it was the stem she was trying to avoid?
Probably. Alright. I'll meet you at the jail, Brian.
Yes, sir.
Listen, that's not my mom! It's not!
Graham versus Connor, 1989, assesses force under objective reasonableness. The 3 Graham factors support the takedown force used here: severity of offense, threat to safety in a high-crime area, and active resistance during foot pursuit. The force itself, verbal commands followed by ground positioning and handcuffing, falls within constitutional reasonableness. The verbal tone is a separate communicative concern. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, requires advisement of rights before custodial interrogation. The timing here is procedurally correct warnings administered after arrest, but before substantive questioning. Under Davis versus United States, 1994, only an unambiguous and unequivocal invocation of rights triggers cessation. The subject's continuous protestations during the reading are not invocations of silence or counsel. The Miranda procedure is constitutionally sound. Atwater versus Lago Vista, 2001, confirms that custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible for misdemeanors supported by probable cause, including the triple misdemeanor charging package applied here. Maryland versus Pringle, 2003, requires only a fair probability of possession. The throwing over the fence behavior supplies classic consciousness of guilt evidence. The doctrinal pieces lock cleanly into place. The arresting officer earns a C+. Strong tactical execution, outstanding Wardlow narrative documentation, clean Hodari D. Recovery. Procedurally correct Miranda timing, undermined by heavy profanity, directed at a subject in observable distress. The subject earns a D-. 3 flight episodes, evidence destruction attempt, continuous lying, and non-compliance with takedown commands. Vulnerability indicators mitigate but do not eliminate exposure. 3 lessons emerge. First, flight is not a defense under Illinois versus Wardlow. Unprovoked flight in a high-crime area is reasonable suspicion evidence rather than escape. Second, what you discard during flight is no longer yours. California versus Hodari D. eliminates Fourth Amendment protection for voluntarily abandoned property. Third, Florida's loitering statute requires 2 elements, but flight upon police observation reliably supplies the alarm warranting element. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.